Welcome friends, I am architect Sonu Rai from Glad Studio, and in this today video tutorial of Photoshop I am going to teach you about crop tools and perspective tool and slice tool, which is located here in toolbar, and shortcut command is C. So crop tool, perspective tool, slice tool and slice select tool today I am going to discuss. And if you press shift C, you can interchange your type here. So I'm going to select crop tool, which everyone knows, but there are some tricks. So if you go to select crop tool, here you can select the ratio. If you want in a square form, you can select 1:1 a square form, and you can simply press move tool. So to crop your image, again I'm going to select this crop tool, and I'm going to select this 16:9. You can select 16:9, or else you can do it as per your own convenient. So this is you can leave it like this only. And now I will show you this content aware uh, tool. So content aware tool is generally unchecked here, so I am going to use this content aware tool. And now I am going to move this image here, and now I am going to finish this. So you can see this image has taken the content of this uh, sea and water and sun in this crop tool. So you can, sometimes it may be useful in architecture, so you can use crop tool like this. So next is perspective tool. So for perspective tool, I will tell you, this is a window in a perspective mode. So I will show you the use of perspective tool. I'm going to select this perspective tool here, and now I am going to draw perspective here. I'm going to select uh, I will select this perspective tool here, and now I will draw around this window. Should be careful while drawing this. So I'm going to draw perspective of this window. And now if you finish this here, you can see the elevation mode has come, which is very handy in architecture. If you want to take elevation of some designs, you can use this perspective tool. So again I will tell you another use of this perspective tool. I have one image here. Suppose this is a front elevation, and if you want to see this building in perspective mode and you don't have time for clients, so I am going to use this perspective tool, and I will draw one perspective here. Suppose I have drawn perspective like this, and now I am going to finish this. So we'll see what happens. Boom. So you are clearly saying that Photoshop saves lot of time, and then if you don't have time, you can use this perspective tool to use in your front elevation and make it in perspective view. It will save lot of time. So next I am going to use slice tool. To slice tool is basically used to divide this photo in many parts. So suppose I am going to use this slice tool, and I am going to make some parts of this, as many as you want. So this is divided in many parts. So and this next tool is slice select tool, which is used to make changes. If you want to do changes in this, you can drag or move. And now I will use this file and export. Now I will export this slice tool image, and I will go to the here save for web legacy, and now I will save our image to your folder, any folder if you want, you can save it. So my image is in high resolution, so it is taking time. So now I will save this image to my desktop, and I will save a folder name slice here, slice tool, use, and I will save here. I will click save here. Now we will wait. So now I will go to my desktop, and I will go to my folder slice tool, use, images, and you can see it has divided into many parts. So this is the use of slice tool. So sometimes it is handy to make your portfolio in architecture. So in architecture we need to know some tools in Photoshop, and then it will be very handy and you can develop your own skills. So thanks for watching. In the next video tutorial I will come with some more tools in Photoshop. Thanks.